I was just feeling like Baby Yoda. I don't know how to explain it. I'm currently like kneeling on the floor of my kitchen because the lighting is better in here. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you guys through a super fun video that I thought of last week. So this video is going to be my fitsta friends pick my workout outfits for the week. I literally thought this was the cutest idea. A common trend that was going around Instagram a few weeks ago was that people had other influencer friends or fitness friends write their workouts for the week. I thought this was a super cute idea. I partook in writing workouts for a few of my friends and I thought that was super fun. However, I am kind of on a very strict program, a strength split, that I can't really have anyone write anything different for me at this time. However, that's definitely something that I would be interested in doing maybe in the summer when I don't have as strict of a program going on. Right now I'm training for strength and I'm training to hopefully PR my sumo deads by like closer to the end of the semester. So that's kind of a big goal for me and I didn't want to kind of disrupt my training pattern. I still wanted to do something kind of interactive with some of my besties on fitsta. So I thought of this idea where I just ask a friend every single day to pick my outfit. I have a very large collection to choose from. Of course, everyone picked Gymshark, not surprised at all. So the week in order is gonna go Charlie, Tracy, Nicolina, Danielle, and then Doots, aka Emily. And they really made some super cute outfits that I can't wait to show you guys. I just DM'd them and I said, hey, I'm doing legs. Can you pick this outfit for me? Leggings, shorts, crop tops. Here's my drawer, tell me what to wear. And I'm super excited because some of the combos were kind of things that I would have never thought of or out of my comfort zone. I typically don't like do a lot of like crazy colors or mix and matchies. So I was really excited to kind of step out of the comfort zone and have other people kind of pick my fits. And I ended up feeling so confident in the gym, like a little bad bee. And also having your outfit already picked out for the week like saves 20 minutes of getting ready. And I'm already always late getting to the gym. It's actually ridiculous. This actually not only saved me time, but it also gave me super cute fit ideas. So for Monday's booty focused leg day, my day one bestie Charlie, being the queen of blue herself, picked out the cutest outfit. So we have the v-neck training bra paired with the light green animal seamless leggings. I absolutely love this fit and I feel like the combo of the two blues was super cute. So thank you, Charlie, for letting me stunt your color and for picking this fit for me because I am a huge fan. Next up, my baddie Tracy had me looking like the cutest little green bean in the garden, so I have on the Roosh Training v-neck sports bra, and she paired that with the Whitney Simmons shorts in moss green. I also did the Baby Yoda hairstyle because Tracy is always having the cutest hairstyles along with the Gymshark socks and my Lane 8, so I absolutely love this fit, especially for an upper body day, and thank you, Tracy, for being a part of this. I love you. So Nicolina, the queen of neon, did not disappoint with this one, and it was a huge hit when I posted it on Instagram. So I have on the lime Apex crop top along with the blue Adapt camo seamless leggings, and I'm obsessed with the color combo of this look, and I'm really happy that she chose something that helped me step out of my comfort zone, and I absolutely loved the fit. So thank you so much, Nicolina. I love you. Danielle, aka the baddest ever, helped me pick out a super cute fit for my chest and bicep days, so she styled me in the light blue v-neck training sports bra and the milk vital seamless leggings. These two colors together were literally everything. I love the light colored look and I was really feeling this look and feeling myself at the gym. So thank you, Danielle, for helping me choose such a cute fit, and if you guys don't follow her, you better get to it because I literally love her, and I love that she had me wearing Vital on the day of the Vital release, which I was really shopping up a storm that day. So yeah, love this fit and thank you, Danielle. I had to finish the week off with a bang, so I asked my bestie Emily to make me a sumo and back day fit, and she really did not disappoint. So she styled me in the milk Vital crop top along with the brown Marl Vital seamless shorts. Emily and Charlie were the ones that put me on to Gymshark socks, so it was only right that I wore those to complete the look. And thank you so much, Emily, for making me a whole chocolate milk moment. I'm a huge fan of this look. I will say I was very shocked that nobody picked the Breeze lightweight seamless leggings. Like Emily was my last day, so I sent Emily like what I had already picked so that she could pick from stuff that hadn't been picked yet. And she was like, what? Like no one picked the Breeze lightweight seamless? And I was like, girl, I know. I was shocked. Those are my faves, but it's good to step out of what I normally wear. Probably didn't pick that because I literally wear them like every week. I definitely will do this again in the future. I had so much fun with this. And I'm very grateful for everyone who took part in it. And yeah, this is definitely something that if anyone wants to do it on their channel or on their Instagram, I would love to style you queens. So just let me know. I feel like one of the best things that I've ever gotten from my fitness Instagram is like actually making true relationships and friendships with people. That has literally just been like the best thing for me, and the fact that like all these girls, like when I say they took time to plan these outfits, it wasn't just like, oh, just wear the matching Vital seamless top and bottom and call it a day. They were like, I need to see your drawers, let me stalk your Instagram. Like Danielle had me so weak, she's like, okay, I'm gonna stalk your Instagram. And she's like, never mind, I need to see the drawers. Wait, what about this bra? Like it was so cute just to like the level of effort people put in for you and like the kind of friendship that you have with other people. I can't even explain how grateful I am for it. I literally love these girls. I want to meet them so bad. But yeah, so I just want to say that I literally love my fitsta. I think that it's literally just kind of brought me completely different opportunities and kind of fed my Gymshark obsession. So y'all can blame them. You can blame all these Gymshark athletes. And thank you guys so much for just being a part of my fun little community. I seriously am just so grateful for the following that I have and now the confidence that I have to start YouTube. I literally have been enjoying filming and editing these videos so much. I don't know why the editing process is so fun for me. Like you would think people would dread that, but I actually have so much fun with it. So yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with the kind of more active wear lifestyle haul kind of videos. So that's kind of where I'm gonna go for a little while. Obviously I love my workouts, but that's more like the Instagram, and here I want it to be a little more personal, a little more freestyle, and kind of more about just my gym clothes, my supplements, my obsessions. Clearly I have some obsessions to deal with. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love the video, love the concept. I had so much fun with this. It was literally like the highlight of my week to make the reels, get a new outfit idea, chat with some of my friends, and just like do something different. Even though it's such a like small thing to do, it was so much fun. And so it's definitely something that I want to do again in the future. And again, I would love to do style any of you guys, kind of take a peek through your activewear and help you pick an outfit. I think that'd be super fun. And yeah, so comment down below what you guys want to see next from me, what your favorite outfit was, or different outfit ideas you guys want me to try. I would love anyone's input. Just DM me. I'm all ears.